Welcome to our Mastering Pure Variance tutorial. Today we'll explore configuration spaces and variant models, understand their importance and learn how to create and use them. Let's get started. A configuration space in pure variance represents the complete set of possible product configurations within a product line. So it defines the scope of variability and the valid combinations of feature. A variant model, on the other hand, is a specific instance within the configuration space. It defines a particular combination of features to create a unique product variant. Essentially, it's a selection of features from the feature model. Configuration spaces and variant models are essential for managing product variability efficiently, so they help in defining, exploring and generating valid product configurations and ensure consistency and reduce errors. So now let's see how to create a configuration space in pure variance. So we open our feature model and now we go to the new section and click configuration space. Now we name our configuration space and select the relevant feature model. We can specify any settings that you may find necessary for the future work with the configuration space. We will use default values for now. Next, let's create a variant model within the configuration space. So open the configuration space you just created and click New Variant Model and name your variant. This variant model will represent a specific product configuration. So in here we can select the features for this variant from the configuration space. Ensure the selected features comply with the defined constraints and dependencies. Now save the variant model. This model now represents a unique product configuration within the configuration space. These spaces and variant models can be used in various ways to manage your product line efficiently. So, working with configuration spaces is a crucial part of variant management in pure variants. And if you have any more questions regarding that topic, feel free to reach out to us. And in the meantime, stay tuned for the next tutorials.